What's going on, YouTube? Bringing a video to you today. If you're watching this is my first official video of my channel for my car. If you don't already follow me on YouTube, I do have a gaming channel. One and only, man. Check it out if you're into games. I do a bunch of Call of Duty videos right now. I think I did a couple Rainbow Six Siege video games. I'll be doing upcoming games. Check it out though. But I'm bringing you today my 2015 Chrysler 200. Had it for about 3 years now. Love the car, man. It's a beautiful car. First thing I did to it, of course, was the exhaust. It's got an aftermarket exhaust on it. I know you guys heard it in the beginning of the clip. Got 20s on there right now. Rozo Zen wheels with a Nito 555 tire. And those are, I believe, 255. Oh, there you go, if you can see that. Shout out to Mopar Toronto. Come on, man, ain't no other group better, man. They do the livest car shows I've ever been to, man. I'm from New York City, man. We have a big auto show here in New York City. I'm not from New York City. I'm from Rochester, New York, by the way. Upstate New York. It's pretty nice looking, man. So, it's got the added badge that I put on there. Mopar, of course. The wheels we talked about. 20s again. Rozo Zen. I get a lot of compliments on those wheels, by the way. Everybody asks me where I get them from. Wheelhero.com is where I got those from, by any chance. Anyway, I have the added front lip spoiler. The car did not come with it. It was an add-on. You can order the car with it, but it did not come with it. It was after I bought the car, I got it. Ordered it from Steve White. Also got rid of the oranges light indicators on the side. It got Mopar down the middle. So does the other side, and then on the back, I just have a plain sticker covering up that one. They're getting a little old. Still some orange hanging out of there. Got the aftermarket spoiler. This is my favorite part of the car, man. Gives it that nice look, little sporty look to it. And then the last aftermarket kit part that I got were the little back bumper skirts. Just add a little touch to the car. Love those exhaust tips, man. Even though they not real, you know, they type fugazi, they fake. They're actually not connected to the pipes. You can see in there's a separate pipe coming out of there. These are just little plastic pieces, but does make the car look good. 200S, this is the S model. I'm sorry about that. All-wheel drive. Come on, man. Team no stuck, man. We'll never get stuck out here. Now, I did the tint 4 days after I got the car. The tint is, I think, 35%. It looks darker than it really is. It's really not that dark. People can see straight through me. I'm sorry, straight through the window. They can see straight through it, man. It's kind of annoying. But if you're from anywhere near New York, you know we got a tint law now, man. We can't have no tint on sedans. You can only have tint on I believe it's the back window of SUVs and trucks. No tint on the front, but you know, can't be having a fishbowl out here, man. We can't do that. So that 35% looks good. Looks pretty good, looks pretty good. I have the in-channel rain guards. Love those. Cost me $50 on Amazon. I think it was about $50, maybe cheaper than that. Yeah, I think it was cheaper than that. Actually, probably about 30 maybe. Got these on this side too. I actually have a cracked one. Not even gonna try to fix it. Just gonna leave it how it is. Showed y'all the Mopar badge so far. Let's get to the other side. I got a Dark Vader. Come on, man. Mopar, no car, man, all day. Won't play. My little man, of course I got that. You know, we little racers. Now these do have the key fob, keyless entry. I have remote start as well. Unlock, lock, trunk, remote start, panic button. Comes with 2 key fobs. Had to get that, man. Tired of waking up, being cold, had to get the remote start. Anyway, so all the S models come with this blue trim. If you have a C model, I think you can get there's like a brown wood grain type of look. Does look a little better, but I didn't want the C. The C was more for a comfort driver. I like the sporty type of look. S logo on the seats here. You got the half and half, leather on the outside, cloth in the middle. It also has that blue trim on the outside of the leather. They nice bolstered up too, big bolstered up. Steering wheel is my favorite part. Also came with the Alpine. Oh, let's see if we can get that. You can see that? Okay, there we go. Alpine sound system. Sounds good, man. I know they come with, I think they come with the Limited comes with just like a basic 6 speakers. Sounds trash if you ask me. Most people upgrading anyway, but Alpine sound good. Let's get in here. Alright, let's see. It is push button, you know, keyless. You don't need none of that. Touchscreen 8.4. This comes with the navigation, all the Uconnect stuff. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Uconnect. Also have on this one I have heated seats, heated steering wheel. That's pretty much it for this one. All the other stuff is, you know, regular, like every other car. Here's your buttons and all that, heating control. You can turn your screen on and off. Traction on and off. And then we got a... Alright, so the dash. Love the dash, man. Oh yeah, I get a little rev up. But I love the dash. It's got this nice blue tone to it. See if I get that off. Oh no, we don't want no cruise control. Get that off there too. Okay. Yeah, it's got this nice blue lighting to it. Every time, there you go, 200S logo. It's got 140 on the dash. With the limiter, you only can get up to about 121 anyway. That's the most I got up to. But look at this. Look at this steering wheel, man. By far the most comfortable steering wheel I've ever used or driven. It's got the paddle shifters here. This is a 9-speed automatic. I'm not a big fan of it. It's all right. Couple redundant buttons you can control the cluster with. You know, you could go to your menus, tire pressures, coolant. You got a couple other things in there. Of course, your cruise control buttons on this side. Let's see, a little storage space. See how much you got. I got 2 cup holder. I use this, perfect for my phone. Throw my phone right in there while I'm riding around sitting. So you got the storage. Excuse my mess. I got a little rag in there I use to clean with. Oh, some LEDs I still never put in. I don't know why I'm taking long to do that. And then you got a little, nobody ever notices, but you push this back, you can open this, and there's another little section in there. You got another lighter plug in there. You got the aux cable cord that go in there, and then USB. Alright. It's got the electronic parking brake. Put your foot on the brake, put it down to get rid of it, put the parking brake on, just pull it up, you'll hear it come on. I never really use that when I'm parked. I don't live on a hill or anything. I know a lot of people use that to get on the hills. Alright. Back view. Oh, you already know. Hold on, missed the best part. My favorite touch. I had to get the Mopar shoulder pads for the seatbelt, man. That is a nice touch. Little carbon fiber wrap type. Love those, man. I got them on both sides. Gotta have those. I do wish they put the S on the back seats too. They didn't put the S on the back seats, which sucks. I didn't like that. I need the S on the back, man. Come on, man. Y'all gotta put the S on the back too. I can't just have it S in the front and plain Jane in the back. I need the S, man. Excuse my broom. You know you gotta have one of those, man. If you from the hood and you live in New York City, you gotta have a broom, man. You gotta get that. If you live in New York State, you gotta have a broom, man. You gotta get that snow off your car, man. This does come with the outside button. You can lock the car, put your hand in, it unlocks the car, and then you can open it. So really, you never need to pull your key out of your pocket. Oh, show you how the hood real quick. Can't forget that. Now y'all want to see the motor. All right. So this comes with the 3.6 V6. This is not stock. I added that in a couple months after I got the car. I can't remember all the numbers. I believe the car comes stock 295 horsepower. And don't get me lying about the torque. I have no clue about the torque. Not a torque kind of guy. Just straight horsepower is really all I care about. But anyway, this is the Underdog Performance cold air intake. Man, I don't know what happened. Got a YouTube group. Oh yeah, matter of fact, shout out to New Age 200 on Facebook, man. That's the realest group around. I've been in there since they started it. I remember we had 6-7 subscribers, or I'm sorry, followers that were in that group, or members that were in that group. We had probably 6-7 members that was in that group when we first started. Man, we're up to, it's been 2.5 years. We're up to 1,000, maybe 1,100. Gotta shout out that group, man. They're the realest people in there. Everybody's helpful. You know, you always got your few assholes in there, but you know, gotta ignore those. But anyway, I got this from Underdog Performance. Brian Pitt, from one of the guys in the group. Haven't heard from him in a while. I don't know what happened to him, but got that from him. And the day I got it, half and half. Leather cloth in the middle. These do not heat up. I do not have heated rear seats. I don't think any of the models do. And so, also another thing I did, plastic dip the side skirt. You see it's peeling right now. I'm happy it's peeling. I've had it for 3 years, man. It's finally peeling. It did pretty good for what I needed it to do. I just wanted to add that black effect. If you currently don't see, I'm going for a white and black theme. I love the white and black theme on any car. It always makes it look good. But yeah, that's plastic dip. That thing, it works amazing, man. I recommend it to anybody who's trying to do it. As long as you do it right, it will last. Show that light. It's my favorite part of the car. The light setup. Come on, man. You can't tell me to make the sexiest little lights you seen. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Now, I did upgrade the LED. I did upgrade the light bulbs and the fogs to HIDs. The bottom ones are, I believe, don't get me lying, I think it's 6,500K, 6,500K. I think the HIDs are 8,000K. Real nice blue tint. See if I could get those going. See, check out the back first. Now, if you are not a Chrysler person, you will never recognize this, but if you turn both of those rear lights and put them together, it makes a Chrysler wing. Now look at that. That's one thing that I did not notice till somebody in my group pointed it out. But I think that's a pretty cool feature, man. They use the wings to make the rear lights. So dope. Also, damn, I'm forgetting everything. I upgraded the rotors. These are drilled and slotted rotors. I got the front and the backs. Now those cost me about together about $275. They're a great add-in. They're a great add-on, man. The car brakes perfectly. The ceramic brakes as well. You really can't see them if you don't pay too much attention, but I love them, man. I've had them for a year and a half. Haven't had to change the brakes yet either. They've lasted a while. Oh, and one more thing. If you guys see any other, I'm doing this because there's no other 200s on YouTube, man. I don't see anybody showing any love to 200 besides one person, my boy Tyler. If you already know who he is or you follow him, check him out on YouTube. His name is Sonic on YouTube. He's got the same exact car, same model. It's white, which is crazy. You know, he's like, we got the same everything. He's got a couple things that I have, but he has some dope wheels on that car. He does good videos, man. He doesn't just do car videos. He does a lot of sponsorship videos. So check him out. He's the only guy I see representing for the 200, man. Thank you, Sonic. Shout out to you, man. So thank you for watching, guys. This video probably will be uploaded tonight. You'll see it. Look at that. Look how that Mopar shine. Look at that, man. That's yo, any other 200 that I see in Rochester, man, has nothing on this car. Nothing. Everybody else keep their car playing because it's just, you know, I see it as a 200. They're like, whatever. But it's a nice car, man. I really wish Chrysler would have did a little bit more advertisement for this car. It is now discontinued. If a lot of you didn't know that, it got discontinued, I think, at the beginning of last year. They made a 2017 model and they stopped making them after that. If you want one, you could get one for dirt cheap, man. Oh yeah, and always remember, man, Mopar or no car, baby. We out.